Today I would like to share about 9 new trends that may help you have a healthy lifestyle even if you have no team. A healthy hamburger and golden milk, a soda with 0 calories, and air fitness are the healthy lifestyle trends of 2018. From this article, you will find out how to make your workouts more diverse, lose weight, add more healthy foods to your diet, and stop eating unhealthy foods without too much effort. Brightside has found out a lot about the latest trends of living a healthy lifestyle, and we've chosen the most interesting ones. 1. Light cardio workouts. Low-intensity cardio workouts are exercises that last 30-60 minutes and are done at the same pace. Before, it was believed that only high-intensity workouts could burn fat. But in 2018, light cardio workouts are becoming more and more popular. Riding a bike at a slow speed, walking, yoga, and swimming are the most popular. Light cardio workouts help reduce weight and the risk of having a heart condition, fix the health of people who have prediabetes, walking 11 miles per week, lose more weight and build more muscle than you would if you had more intensive workouts. 2. Golden milk, lattes, ice cream, and tea are becoming more and more popular. Turmeric gives these drinks and foods a golden shade. It's sold in bags and added to cocktails and bottles of milk. In order to make sure that turmeric is digested well, you need to add black pepper. It increases its effect by 20 times. Turmeric has a great effect on your health because of the following reasons. It protects neurons from destruction and prevents brain problems. It prevents rheumatoid arthritis. It can be a cardioprotector thanks to its antioxidants. It helps with depression symptoms better than any medication. Aerial fitness helps improve agility, stamina, and coordination. There are different kinds of aerial fitness, and every single one of them can make your workouts interesting and get you to the next level of controlling your body. Aerial silks, aerial hammock yoga, pole dancing. Layer. 4. Organic wine and grapes are on the list of the dirtiest berries. 96% of the product contains a trace of pesticides. Organic wine is produced from grapes grown without pesticides. It contains the valuable antioxidant resveratrol, and the drink does no harm to your health. A buyer of organic wine gets a product made from grapes grown in a natural way, a very small amount of sulfites, potential allergens, a certified product, USDA mark for the American products, and EU organic for the European ones. If the wine is organic, there will be a mark of certification. For example, on the left side of the bottle, a circle with a leaf and a green rectangle. Adaptogens are mushrooms and herbs that help reduce stress. Rosemary, goji berries, a chaga mushroom, added to coffee and tea, spirulina, ginger, and ginseng. They were used in Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine, and their useful properties have been proven by science. Adaptogens help stay concentrated and focused when we are tired, reduce the consequences of stress to a minimum, increase our efficiency, and improve our mood. 6. Soda with natural juice. A regular soda contains acids and a lot of sugar. For example, a 250 grams glass of cola contains 30 grams of sugar. As an alternative to soda, you can drink natural juices that don't contain any sugar. They are becoming more and more popular. Such soda doesn't contain sodium, aspartame, and one bottle has fewer calories than regular soda. This is what the soda that contains no sugar and calories looks like. Consumers stop drinking cow milk for different reasons. Lactose intolerance, being vegan, being uncertain of the safety of the product. The foods that animals eat may contain antibiotics and pesticides. The most popular and the safest kinds of vegetable milk are soy milk, reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases, breast and prostate cancer, and decreases the symptoms of menopause. Almond milk, it helps reduce weight and control it. It also decreases the level of bad cholesterol. Coconut milk decreases the level of bad cholesterol, but it can't be stored for more than 2 months because it loses its properties. 8. Black drinks. Activated charcoal is one of the best absorbents. Once it gets into the stomach, it attracts toxins and chemicals and gets them out of the body. Activated charcoal has become a popular component of healthy diets. It is added to coffee, latte, cocktails, and ice cream. Activated charcoal improves the function of kidneys, doesn't get rid of healthy bacteria, decreases the level of bad cholesterol by 41% if you take 32 grams of charcoal per day, protects you from depression and bad moods by normalizing the function of the stomach. 9. Impossible Burgers. Impossible Burger is the name of the product created by Impossible Foods from Silicon Valley. Doctors, scientists, engineers, and chefs worked for this company. Impossible Burger looks, smells, and tastes just like a regular burger with meat. But there is no meat inside. Instead, the burger patty consists of a vegetable product made of potato protein, soy, coconut oil, and wheat. It doesn't contain any cholesterol. This is what the production of Impossible Burgers looks like. What would you try from this list? Tell us in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel to get knowledge as well as news stories. Thank you.